Okay, today we're going to make a video into a GIF. I know the official pronunciation is GIF, but I just call it GIF. Anyway, I'm today the software I'm using is I'm using Kapwing, and if you are new to Kapwing, the website looks like this. And when you open up the website, you'll get this. You'll start editing. You'll need to sign in and you'll need an account, but it's free. So um, let's go to my original account and let's start a new project. Um, when you're new, you'll get these three options when you start a new project. What I have done is I have already uploaded the video for the sake of this tutorial, even though video does some pretty fast uploads. So I'll just go in really quickly and I'll find a video just so you can see how quick video handles video uploads. So here's a video from like San Andreas that I had downloaded for some reason. Grand Theft Auto is a game, and I pressed that video and it's uploaded that quickly. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my workspace and I'm going to mess around with this video that I already have uploaded. As you can see, it's about a minute long. In general, when you're turning a video into a GIF image, a GIF is an image that moves and it removes the sound. You see them; they're popular on like a lot of social media sites, especially within the comments, um, mainly Facebook actually. And that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to take this image and I'm going to turn it into a GIF. Uh, when I press play, you can kind of hear the sound, and I want to remove that sound, and I just want to turn this into a GIF. I don't have an immediate section that I want cut, but we'll figure that out. So once your video is uploaded to Kapwing, what you need to do is you need to remove the sound, and this is pretty easy. It takes less than 5 minutes. So I could publish this video, and if I publish this as is, it will publish and it'll be a video. What I want to do is I kind of want to cut this down, and a general rule of thumb that I like to apply is if you're doing a GIF, you want the video to be about 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this video down. How I do that is I click on the video. Once I have clicked on this video, I get these three options over here, and I want to trim this down. So I press trim, and I come up with this screen. And whatever when I move this slider, it'll show me sections of the video. What I'm going to do is under here, this is the sections of the video I get to keep. So I'm going to cut this down a little, and I'm going to make it, let's say, about 10 seconds in length. Okay, something like that. So my GIF will look like that. It'll move like that. I'll press done. And now you can see down here, my GIF is about 10, my video image is about 10 seconds. Um, I would add subtitles, but we'll go over that in another video. Now, what I would do next is, um, let's see, maybe I should add subtitles. So I am going to add the subtitles since this is only 10 seconds. Uh, Kapwing lets you auto generate. So I'm going to auto generate these subtitles and give it a minute. Okay, and we are back, and now those subtitles are added. Kapwing took a little bit of time to generate, but it did it automatically. So now I have my GIF and I have my subtitles on the bottom. Um, the GIFs, the image still has audio sounds in it. And one thing I wanted to show you that's really cool about Kapwing and with social media is I like to add progress bars to things so people can know how much time is left in a video or GIF, whatever it is. And I'm going to add that here. So how I did that was I went to shapes and I pressed here, add a progress bar. The cool thing about Kapwing is you can change the color of the progress bar. Right now, my favorite color is purple, so I'm going to choose one of these purple colors. Let's go with that one. And as my video or my GIF plays, the progress bar will scroll across the screen so you can see how much time is left. I'm going to move this a little bit down, so I can remove that space. Now, I'm just about ready to uh, save this GIF. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna come over here and I'm going to press settings over here in Kapwing, and I get these options here. And this is the basis of the video. This is how you turn any video file into a GIF file. So in these options right here, you press this button and then you press publish. And when it's finished, you press publish. And when it's finished publishing, you'll have the file that you want, the GIF file. So um, that's about it. Okay, we're back. I just wanted you to see the final product. This is the GIF. This is the result of the video I just made. You see the captions there. There is no longer any sound playing. I did rename the video up here, Jerome Lewis.gif project, and I can download this video, this GIF. Let's see, it's about 200 megabytes, so it's taking a bit to download. I could come back in here, re-edit it, or I can make a copy of it and do what I wish with the copy. I can share it to any of these social media sites. I can also embed it. Now that our download is finished, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to open it up, and this is my GIF, no sound, and this is how the image will look when I share it to a social media site or I send it by text message. This is how the GIF looks. Um, and it'll play and it'll repeat as normally like GIFs do. So that's how you make a GIF with an image, with a video file. And I appreciate you watching. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, share, or subscribe. And I'll see you next time.